Natural treatment for tinnitus. 3 approaches in getting relief. Too much noise is very irritating, right? This will prevent you from concentrating properly and be able to do your task well. However, external noise is just temporary. Just imagine those people who have tinnitus. Tinnitus is a very irritating ringing sound in the ears. The problem with this condition is that scientific studies have not been successful in coming up with the right treatment. For this, people will just rely on natural treatment for tinnitus. You can categorize the natural treatment for tinnitus in 3 ways. These are perhaps the most used treatment approaches in treating tinnitus. Since people with tinnitus are very uncomfortable with the condition, they would gladly try these approaches just to get relief. Herbal therapies. This is a natural treatment for tinnitus that will utilize several herbs available in the market or in the organic gardens. Examples of these herbs are the ones being used in Chinese medicine such as sesame seeds, ginkgo, sunflower seeds and many other natural herbs. Vitamins. Incorporating additional vitamins such as vitamin C, B, E, and zinc are also being used to give relief. Several people who had tried this natural treatment for tinnitus over the years have claimed that the approach actually worked. Balanced diet. People who had been suffering from tinnitus were noticed to be living on an unhealthy diet. These are the people who eat more meat, processed foods and very sweet foods. So if you are suffering from this condition and have the same diet, better try this natural treatment for tinnitus by eating a balanced diet. Also eat bananas, apricots, and greens as they have magnesium and potassium, which are proven to be effective in treating tinnitus. By doing these 3 steps, you will surely gain relief from tinnitus. So instead of looking for medicines, better choose the natural treatment for tinnitus as they are proven to be more effective than the medical approach. If you need more information, visit our website. Here, you'll find the most powerful natural treatment for tinnitus that exists and really works. Just click the link in description.